So hello guys, welcome to Rise Up with Abhishek, and today in this video I'm going to show you how we can solve this 3 into 3 mirror cube. So as you can see, this whole cube is of blue color because it doesn't change its shape. It doesn't change its color, it changes its shape. So for solving this mirror cube, we have to take care of some basic notations. What are they? Let's discuss. These pieces in the middle are known as mids or middle. These pieces which contain two color is known as edge. These pieces which contain three color are known as corners. So this was some pieces name. Now let's discuss the movements. R stands for right, means the right layer, right hand side. R down and R up. L stands for left, left up and left down. U stands for up, up left and up right, down left, down right. F stands for front, means this, front. So front clockwise, front anti-clockwise. B clockwise, B means back, back anti-clockwise. M stands for middle, means which is in the middle of up and down layer. Middle left, middle right. E stands for external. External means the middle of front and back, means this one. So there is no work of this E and M, but I have explained it because of some general knowledge. So let's start. Let me shuffle it. So as you can see, I have shuffled it. Now, what is the first step? We have to find the highest mid piece on our cube. So let's check which is the highest mid piece. It is not. This is the highest mid piece. Now we have to make a plus. So how to make that? Let's check. So now this is the highest mid piece, means we have to make the plus of edge like this and this. So I can guess that this can come here, but this is leaned. We have to put it stand. So how to do that? This is done. So you can see this is here. So we have to just put it like that way and then put it here. So if you have any pieces like that way and you have to stand it, so you have to just perform this. Now let's check any other edge like this. So we have to put it here. So it's easy, we can just put it up. Now let's check any other. I can guess this can be come here. So we have to put this edge here. So like this and up. Now is the chance of here. So I can guess that this can come here. So now for this piece is here and we have to put it here. So we can just move this piece here like this way. And now we have to put it here. So just turn it up. So you can see our plus is completed. Now we have to match these edges with the mid pieces. For doing this, we have to just put it back and check from which mid piece it is matching. So you can see it is matching from this mid piece. Now we can put it here. So this piece got disturbed. So we can check for this again. This is matching. We can put it here. Now this is not matching. We can do this and check the correct mid piece. It is matching here. And for this is matching, this edge. So you can see our plus is completed finally. Now we have to put these edge pieces here to solve our first layer. So for that we can say that the highest, like the biggest edge piece will come here. So the biggest edge piece is here, it will come here. So we have to separate this from this position. So what we have to do, we can just separate it like this. What I have done, I have just separated. Now we have to put it here. So for this, you have to put your edge piece in this position and perform a algorithm. You can see this R down, D right, R up, D left. So I have performed this one time and my edge is at the correct place. If your edge is not at the correct place, so you can repeat this algorithm until your edge piece is not at the correct place. So now I can guess that here will be the second largest piece, which is this one. I have to put it here. Again, I can separate it from here by this way. Now we have to again, in this line we should come it and again perform this algorithm. R down, D right, R up, D left. 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 So we perform this algorithm and this is also at the correct place. Now we have to check for this edge piece. So we can just say what can be here. So this edge piece is at the correct place, but we have to just flip it like that way. So for this case, we have to again perform this algorithm. R down, D right, R up, D left. R down, D right, R up, D left. Now you can see our first layer has been solved properly. So first layer is easy, but you have to practice it 2 to 3 times, then you will got it completely. Now we have to solve the second layer, means this middle one. So for this we have to put the edge piece at the correct place. Now what we have to do, we have to just check which edge piece is matching with this, which edge piece is matching with it mid. So how to do that? Let's take this piece. So I can say that this is matching with this piece. So it will come here or either here. So how to got that? We have to just use our mind for that. Now I can say that it will come here because it is the small, and it cannot come here because it is big. Or another way is we can just check it by doing this. You can see it is fit here. Now we have to perform another algorithm. You can see it should come on our right hand side. So for right hand side we have to perform this algorithm. Right edge, D left, R down, D right, R up, D left, F clockwise, D left, F anti-clockwise. Now you can see it has come on its correct place. Let's check for this. You can see it is already matching, so we have to check. It cannot come here because it is not matching like this. It can come here because it is matching. So again the right edge case is here. D right, R down, D left, R up, D right, D right, F clockwise, D left, F clockwise. You can see it's now at the correct position. Now let's check for. So now the case has been come. This edge piece will come here, and this edge piece will come here. How I know it? From the experience. I can say that the position of these are different because the size. So for that we have to put it out from here. So how? We have to just replace it by another edge piece. This. We can put it here, then it will separate from here. So now we have to put it on the right hand side. And again this algorithm, D left, R down, D right, R up, D left, F clockwise, F clockwise, D right, F anti-clockwise. Now you can see that has been separated. So it is matching with this. It will come here. Now we have to again, it is right hand side, so we have to again perform this algorithm. D left, R down, D right, R up, D left, F clockwise, D here, F anti-clockwise. Now only this piece is left, so let's check. This is matching with this piece, means it will come here. Again perform the. Now the case is that it is on the left hand side, not right hand side. So for this we have to perform this left edge algorithm. So D left, L down, D right, L up, D left, F clockwise, D right, F anti-clockwise. Now you can see our second layer is also solved. What left is our third layer. Now third layer is only on the fingers of the algorithm. If you have performed any algorithm incorrect, whole cube will got disturbed. So let's come. Now in the third layer there will be three cases. First, here will be a L like I have been having. Second, there will be a dot, no piece will be matching. Third, there will be a line like that way or that way. Fourth, there will be a plus. So if you have plus, so you are at the final stage, so you have to do nothing. And if you have L like me, so you have to perform this this algorithm for making plus. And if you have dot, so you can perform this algorithm. If you have line, again you have to perform this algorithm. But if you have line, so take care that your line should be like that, then perform this algorithm. But if you have L, so your L should be like that way. Let's perform. F clockwise, R up, U left, R down, U right, F anti-clockwise. Now I have got again L, so again perform this algorithm by putting it that side. F clockwise, R up, U left, R down, U there, F anti-clockwise. Now I have a line. It is the third case. So for line, it should be like that, leaned one, and then again perform this algorithm. F clockwise, R up, U left, R down, U right, F anti-clockwise. Now I have a complete plus. So now we have to check that these HPs are matching with their midpiece or not. Like I can see this is matching but not other matching. Now in this case we have again some cases. First, there will be L like that, means this will match or this will match. Second, there will be a line like this H will match or this H will match. Third, all the HPs are matching with their midpiece. So I am on the first case. So now I will check any two HPs must be matching. This is matching but any second is not matching. Flip it. Now I can see that the two HPs are matching. So now we have to hold L like that way and then perform a algorithm edge assemble. Edge assemble, this one. R up, U left, R down, U left, R up, U left two times, R down and U left. Now you can see I have got a plus. If you have line, so you can put like that way and then perform this algorithm. Now this is the final case. We are at the end. Now we have to check that these pieces are at the correct place or not. Like this is not at the correct place, this is not at the correct place, this is not at the correct place, but this is at the correct place. You can have all the pieces of correct place or you can have one piece of correct place. So if you have any one piece of at the correct place like this one, so you have to put it on your right hand side, then perform this algorithm. If you have no piece at the correct place, so you have to perform this algorithm by freehand. So U left, R up, U right, L up, U left, R down, U right, L down. Now I can see my all pieces are matched. So we are at the final point. We have to just perform this RD algorithm and then fix it. Let's continue from here. So R down, D right, R up, D left, R down, D right, R up, D left. Now you can see it has been matched. Don't take care of this with the assemble. Now we have to we can just flip it. Don't flip this like that way. You have to flip it that way. Again perform this algorithm. R down, D right, R up, D left. R down, D right, R up, D left. This is matched. Again flip it and then perform this algorithm. R down, D right, R up, D left. D left, R down, D right, R up, D left. R down, D right, R up, D left, R down, D right, R up, D left. It has been matched. Now we are at the final, last, again perform this algorithm. R down, D right, R up, D left, R down, D right, R up, D left, R down, D right, R up, D left, R down, D right, R up, D left. Congratulations guys, we have learned to solve it, but you have to practice this 2 to 3 times, then you will learn it. So if you understand this cubing video properly, so please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Great time with you.